Hello, welcome back. Pineapple with coconut milk. You heard me. Pineapple with coconut milk. Some people might call it Piña Colada. I'm not going to go to that extreme because I make this one differently. In fact, although I'm not an alcohol drinker, if I wanted to, I could have used some of my Gran Añejo Don Q and add a few there and drink it, but I'm not going to do that. Ain't that pretty, the bottle? So, go nowhere. Oh my goodness. Let's create. What I have here, I have some pineapples. I cut it in chunks. The amount you're going to use is up to you. Some coconut milk comes from a can. Here's the thing. I have two of these things here. I put in the refrigerator so it chills. Actually, this one was in the refrigerator too. And in addition to that, because the milk doesn't have any sugar, I have some sweetened condensed milk. That's up to you, it's optional. You can use sugar, you cannot, if you don't want to, you don't use anything. But you cannot go crazy with this because this is very sweet. And I have some ice cubes. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to start by adding some of the pineapples. I think I have enough. Blend it a little bit. Just a tiny bit, you don't blend it completely, just a little bit. Add your milk, coconut milk. Blend a little bit. You come and add, let's say 1 spoon of the condensed milk, maybe 2 depending how sweet you want it and how much you're making. Blend it again. And if you want to, you can add some ice cubes to have a very chill. It's hot outside, so I'm going to do just that.